Hey, what's up? So if you want to remove the glass from the side view mirror of a 2010 to 2012 Ford Escape, here's what you gotta do. Now I already have this glass out, but I can still show you what to do. This is the bottom of the mirror. This is the top of the mirror. Push the top of the glass in so that the bottom of the glass and the bottom of the mirror forms this gap. It's not going to be this big, but there will be enough of a gap there that you can look into. You will see these clips which clip onto this ring, and you need to pop those clips. I used 2 picks and a long flathead screwdriver. I pried this one first, and I kind of got this pick stuck between the clip and this ring, and it kind of just stayed there. So I used my other pick and popped this clip, and it just ever so slightly started coming off of the ring. Then I popped this clip and just kind of went around, and eventually the mirror just came out. This seems like one of the more difficult mirrors to remove the glass from. I don't know why this one's so difficult to get out apart, but it does come apart. Oh yeah, and you just disconnect these wires if you have the heated version. And then your mirror is off. To reinstall it, just reconnect the wires and press the mirror back in. Use all of your fingers to press on the center of the glass to distribute the pressure. I'll have a link in the description where you can get mirrors and parts for your Ford Escape. And now you know. Thanks for watching.